Setting the stage for this traffic jam, we had 5 trains in the picture, all within about 40 rail miles. First was Amtrak 7 heading west. They were not quite yet to Sturtevant on their way to Milwaukee. We had 249 sitting in the yard and 529 just ahead of it. And 20 miles west of there, they had the 647 with the CSX leaders, stopped in the siding for Amtrak 1340, which had just left Columbus coming east. What the original plan was, because the two tracks meet together to make one track at Pewaukee, was to let 529 go up ahead and stop it short of Duplainville, where there's the crossover, and then get 249 out of the yard and have it stop short somewhere. So you'd have 2 trains stopped on Main 1, while 1340 would approach Duplainville but stay on Main 2, all the while letting a little bit of a late Amtrak 7 do their downtown stop in Milwaukee, go up Main 2 out of downtown, cross over to Main 1 at Duplainville to get ahead of the 2 freight trains, and then that would allow 7 and 1340 to go on their own ways. And once 7 cleared Duplainville, then the 2 westbound freights could make their move. What the dispatcher decided to end up doing was, because 1340 was pretty close, they decided to let 1340 go on Main 2 all the way down to downtown while they kept Amtrak 7 stopped at Grand Avenue by Miller Park. So 1340 flew by, it passed the 2 freight trains, and delayed number 7 by about 15 minutes. After they decided to let 1340 through, they told 529 and 249 that they could start moving closer towards Pewaukee and Duplainville, allowing number 7 to have some time to go up Main 2 in order to pass them. .529 had cleared Duplainville and was approaching Pewaukee, slowing down to a stop. Not far behind 529 came 249 on a very, very slow approach to get as close to them as they could so they would block as few crossings as possible while they were waiting for Amtrak 7 to come on up Main 2. After 10 more minutes, a now 30-minute late Amtrak 7 came roaring through with a friendly face in the cab, leaving a good horn show for us. After 7 cleared, things started to get moving and 249 was on its way west, thus clearing up the traffic jam and allowing CN to go. Thanks for watching this video, trying something new with this one. I hope you liked the voiceover. Either way, let me know what you're thinking down in the comments. Thanks for watching.